So we are on question 2.1.4. Then when you see this question, when you see this equation, every time you must know that you're going to have the two answers, and those two answers meaning the other one will be rejected, the other one will be accepted. So it's very important to check whether they are corresponding or not corresponding. Okay. So now let us do with this question. Since when we are having this question, we're going to isolate the value of x on the right side, meaning we transpose that x. Then in the left side, we're going to have negative square root of plus x plus 2 equals to 4. So this x will be minus x. Now you have to get rid of what? Of the root. So in order to take the root of what we're gonna do, we square both sides. Then as we square both sides, guys, what will happen? As we square both sides, what will happen? We are also square on the right side. So now, meaning this opposite is gonna do what? This square will remove the root. So you're going to have x plus 2 equals to, then you expand on the right side 4 minus x and 4 minus x. So now x plus 2 equals to 4 multiplied by 4, it's 16, and 4 multiplied by negative x, it's negative 4x, negative x multiplied by 4 is minus 4x, x multiplied by x is positive x squared. Okay, from there what are you going to do? You simplify the like terms, which is negative 4 and negative 4, it's negative 80x plus x squared. Then we're going to have 0 equals to x squared minus 8x. Can you see? It is positive, it will be minus x plus 16. Then minus 2. So x squared minus 9x and plus 14. Then we can do what? We can factorize this trinomial. We open the two brackets. After open the two brackets, already we know the coefficient of x is 1. So x multiplied by x will give you x squared. Then we have the positive at the last term, but the middle term is negative. So meaning it's minus and minus 7 and 2. Then now we're going to have x equals to 7 or x equals to 2. From then now, after getting those two answers, what do? You're going to take those answers, you substitute into equation to check whether you will get 4. If it's not 4, that means x will never be equals to 7. Okay, so this is 7 minus 8, 7 plus 2. Remember, 7 plus 2 is 9. So square root of 9 meaning it is 3. So 7 minus 3, that means it will be correct. This one is correct. So now what about we substitute the value of 2? 2 minus and 2 plus 2, meaning they are going to give you 0. So we say x is not equals to 2. Why? Because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. That is why we are saying that it is very important to make that method after getting the answers. When you see a square root of whatever that you are solving for the equation. Okay, so the last question that we're gonna do, this is simultaneous. Okay, on this simultaneous, what you know so far, 2.2, we have 2y minus x equals to 1. This is equation number 1. Then equation number 2, x squared minus 6y equals to 37. Therefore, this is equation number 2. And now, remember that whenever you are solving for x, you must make sure that you get a subject of the formula. So now, meaning in this equation number 2, we cannot be able to get a subject of the formula. But on equation number 1, we can say negative x equals to negative 2 plus negative 2y plus 1. Then you divide by negative all of them. As you divide by negative, meaning Okay, let me do it. You divide by negative 1. So now the value of x is going to be what? Is going to be positive 2y minus 1. This is equation number 3. Then now you are seeing, because I have equation number 3, I will substitute equation number 3 into equation number 2. Now remember that we are saying x equals to 2y minus 1. So where I see x, I'm going to substitute by 2y minus 1. Okay, so this is 2y minus 1 squared minus 6, y equals to 37. From there, what I have to do, I have to expand. Why it is very important to expand it? Because of most of learners, they used to make mistake. Then after expanding, therefore you're going to be able to simplify, which is we'll get 4y squared and minus 2y and minus 2y plus 1 minus 6y minus 37 equals to 0. Then 4y minus negative, it's negative 10y. Then 1, which is minus, is going to be 1 minus is going to be negative 36 equals to 0. Therefore, you divide by 4. If you all of them, they're going to give you the not 4. You divide by 2. Because of 2 is divisible into 4 and 10, and so meaning it will be 2y minus 5y, then minus divided by 2. 36 divided by 2 minus 18 equals to 0. Then from there you also open the two brackets. After open the two brackets, it's 2y and y. So we are looking to get what? To get this 4. So which number that can give us 18? Already we know that this side, we know we are going to have, for you to get this one, which is I can say this side, I'm gonna say I'm gonna take, let's see, if I take 3 and 6, 2 multiplied by 2, it's 12. So which is not make sense. Then 3 this side, therefore 6 this side. Okay, but it does not make sense also. Okay, 9 and 2. Then which one is supposed to be negative? Let me check. 2 multiplied by, okay, meaning this side is supposed to be positive, then minus. Therefore now 2y minus 9 equals to 0, or y plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore 2y equals to 9. You divide by 2, you divide by 2. So the value of y is 9 divided by 2. This side y equals negative 2. Then after getting those answers, what are you gonna do? You're gonna say if y equals to 9 divided by 2, therefore x equals to, we're going to take which equation? 2 multiplied by 9 divided by 2 minus 1, which is 80. Then if y equals to negative 2, then x equals to 2 multiplied by negative 2 minus 1, which is negative 5. So that is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it for simultaneous. And I do believe I'm gonna be happy. Thank you very much. We are done for the day. We are done for the day, guys.